Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by consolidating everything in your PSD so receivers can open it. Save a copy with a clear version name and collect linked files. This prevents missing images. Once done, decide whether to keep layers for editing or flatten for smaller size, and export a preview PNG for quick viewing. Make sure fonts are embedded or list them in a text file. This first export step reduces back and forth and prepares the file for sharing immediately. Next, package the project so every dependency travels with the PSD. Use your app's package command or manually gather the PSD, fonts, and links into a single folder, then compress it to reduce size. If the file is confidential, add a password to the archive and share the password separately. Then upload to a suitable transfer method, cloud storage for collaboration, SFTP for secure delivery, or a large file service for huge. Finally, share the download link and set permissions that fit the workflow. Grant edit access only when necessary. Ask the recipient to confirm they can open the PSD and view layers. Request a screenshot if there's an issue so you can diagnose quickly. If assets are missing, resend the package zip or provide a short list of required fonts and links. One quick troubleshooting tip: if layers look odd, check for missing smart object links and relink them before resending.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.